For years, the holidays have been a way for people all over the world to gather as friends, families, and communities to spread cheer and love to everyone. One of the biggest ways that this is accomplished is through charity and service. Giving Tuesday is a globally hallmarked movement that encourages just that.
Lectric Bike Company has a notable reputation for being generous and charitable, not only to those in the United States, but to everyone around the world. This year, Lectric is donating $250 for every e-bike sold on Giving Tuesday to one of their local charities, Arizonans for Children. This nonprofit organization has been in operation since 2002 to help children in foster care.
We ask that if you missed the opportunity to make a purchase during Black Friday, to please consider making a purchase this Tuesday, December 3rd.
We've been given an amazing opportunity by Lectric to be charitable this holiday season. E-Bike Reviews and Adventures has been invited and authorized by Lectric to give away 5 brand new Lectric e-bikes to a local charity of our choice.
As a veteran family, we felt it was important to give back and serve our fellow veterans who have sacrificed so much for our great nation. We have randomly chosen 5 veterans in our community that could benefit from Lectric's generosity.
We encourage all of you during this season of giving to give back to those around you in your community. Every little bit can go a long way. You don't have to spend money, you can just simply give your time or give someone a call or visit those who may be lonely or in need.
Winston Churchill once said, "We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give."
On behalf of everyone here at E-Bike Reviews and Adventures, we wish you a happy holidays.